More than 20 million people across California are under flood alerts, as the risk of mudslides also spreads to the Los Angeles and San Diego areas. More rain is dropping across California, threatening more flooding and disruption, as part of a parade of storms that have forced thousands to evacuate and prompted dozens of rescues in recent days, and left more than 17 dead in recent weeks. 2 more storms were expected to pound California in the next several days, increasing concerns about mudslides, flooding and falling trees on saturated terrain. Then there are the mounting piles of snow. The National Weather Service predicted 10 to 20 inches of snow over the greater Lake Tahoe area through Tuesday evening, and the numbers would rise to 18 to 36 inches above 7,000 feet. The service warned against traveling in the area, telling motorists, you could be stuck in your vehicle for many hours. Further north, in San Francisco, a flash flood warning was issued until 3:30 p.m., according to the National Weather Service. The warning, which covers about 1 million people, comes as strong thunderstorms move onshore, bringing with them heavy rain, powerful winds and hail. Across central California, Weather Service officials had received more than 24 reports of strong winds by today in afternoon, as the rain moved in. Tuesday's rain is part of a wave of atmospheric rivers, long, narrow regions in the atmosphere that can transport moisture thousands of miles, that have thrashed the west coast in the last several weeks. The storms have led to dangerous flooding and mudslides, and prompted evacuations across the state, with much of California getting rainfall totals that are 400% to 600% above average in that time. Several more inches could fall across much of the state, after 2 to 7 inches fell over 24 hours ending Monday night across much of the state's lower elevations. It was wetter in the mountainous areas of Southern California, where more than a foot of rain fell from Sunday to early Tuesday, particularly along the Ventura and Santa Barbara County mountains. The greatest threat for new flooding Tuesday is in the mountains just east of Los Angeles, where 2 to 4 more inches of rain could fall. Today's heavy rain will further exacerbate ongoing flooding, while prolonging the risk of mudslides, the Weather Prediction Center said Tuesday. No small threat for California's soil, already scarred by historic drought and devastating wildfires. From north to south in the Golden State this week, flooding, mudslides or threats thereof, have led to evacuations, road closures and desperate rescues. On Monday, trees crashed down, homes lost power, and major roadways were turned into rivers or otherwise closed, as storms unleashed powerful winds and heavy downpours.